Hello, welcome again. We are covering GATE Aerospace Engineering syllabus. Section 1 is Engineering Mathematics and the core topic is calculus. We are discussing continuity example number 5 from from continuity. Discuss the continuity of the function f defined by fx is equal to 1 by x and x is not equal to 0. So first of all, we find out the limit of the function taking x is equal to any number c. So limit is your uh, limit x tends to c fx limit x tends to c 1 by x fx is 1 by x that is equal to 1 by c and value of this function at x equal to c is 1 by c. Okay, and c is not 0, that condition is given. Okay, so it means limit of the function and the value of the function is same. So that's why the function is continuous at x is equal to any number c and but x should not be equal to 0. Okay, or other way c can be positive, c can be negative. So if we take the positive x, then this will be the curve, and if we take negative x, then this will be the curve. But at x is equal to 0, they are not considered. Okay, for this curve at all the point, for the positive value of x, at all the point the function is continuous because this is your single curve, and for the negative value of all negative value of x at all the points it is continuous because it is another single curve. Okay, and so it means fx is continuous at all the point except at 0. Okay, so now what happens if we take x is equal to 0 also? So suppose we want to draw the curve, okay, and start from most negative x. We'll go like this and we'll reach up to minus infinity. Okay, and on the positive side we will take most positive and we will reach up to plus infinity. So from to reach minus sorry to reach up to plus infinity, from minus infinity we have to lift our pen. So it means the function is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay, or other way, if we take positive limit of x, positive x is equal to 0 fx, then it will be plus infinity, and negative fx then it will be minus infinity, and both are not same. So it means the function is not continuous at x is equal to 0. So it means the function is continuous at any value, positive value or negative value, but it is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Next example, discuss the continuity of the function f defined by fx x plus 2 if x is less than equal to 1, x minus 2 if x is greater than 1. Okay, so now it has three domains. First domain is x less than 1, second domain is x is equal to 1, and third domain is x greater than 1. So first we'll take x less than 1, suppose it is c, and c is your x is equal to c and c is your less than 1, and then the value of the function is c plus 2 and limit of the function is again c plus 2. Okay, so it means this is the curve, okay, up to x is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the curve, this is the line we can say. So it means it is continuous at all the points x less than 1. Okay, and second case if we take, when x is more than 1 or c is more than 1, then x will be c minus 2 and limit is also c minus 2. So then this will be the curve, this is a line. Okay, so function is continuous all the points greater than 1, yet less than 1, but at 1 we have to lift our pen to from this point to this point, starting from this point to reach this point. So that's why, so it means the function is not continuous at x is equal to 1. Okay, the function is not continuous at x is equal to 1, or we can say case 3, when c is 1, then the left hand side limit of the of f is at x is equal to 1 is 3, and right hand side limit is your minus 1, or other way. Okay, here we can see the left hand side limit is your 3, and right hand side limit is your 1, so that are not coinciding, so it means it is not continuous at x is equal to 1. Okay, so x is equal to 1 is the only point of discontinuity. So next example, discuss the continuity of the function defined by fx is equal to x plus 2 minus x plus 2 when x is less than 0, and minus x plus 2 when x is greater than 0. Okay, it means x is equal to 0, the function is at x is equal to 0, the function is not defined. So it has only two domains, x less than 0 and x more than 0. For x less than 0, it is this curve x plus 2, this, and for more than for x more than 1, this is this curve. But at x equal to 0, it is not defined. But at x is equal to it is not defined. So it is discontinuous at x is equal to 0, and at any other point it is continuous. Okay.